ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो मैंने तुमसे छुपाया हो. There is nothing like that I have hidden from you. There is nothing like that I have hidden from you. आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. You have done a great job. You have done a great job. वहां जाने की क्या जरूरत थी? What was the need to go there? What was the need to go there? क्या आप किसी और वक्त आ सकते हैं? Can you come some other time? Can you come some other time? इस पर हम किसी और वक्त बात करेंगे. We will talk about this some other time. We will talk about this some other time. मैंने उसे बहुत साफ साफ कहा. I said to him very clearly. I said to him very clearly. हो सकता है वो हमसे पहले पहुंच गए हों. Maybe they have reached before us. Maybe they have reached before us. हो सकता है वो चला गया हो. Maybe he has gone. Maybe he has gone. काश मैं उसे बता देता. I wish I would have told her. I wish I would have told her. मुझे किसी भी तरीके से वहां पहुंचना पड़ेगा. I will have to reach there by any means. I will have to reach there by any means. क्या हुआ कि तुमने इनकार किया? What happened that you denied? What happened that you denied? आपकी मौजूदगी में मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. In your presence nothing will happen to me. In your presence nothing will happen to me. वो कुछ और बोलना चाहती है. She wants to speak something else. She wants to speak something else. मैं काफी अरसे से कह रहा हूँ. I have been saying for a long time. I have been saying for a long time. वो अब तक चला गया होगा. He must have gone by now. He must have gone by now.